So which circuit you use? Parallel or series? Parallel.
This works under the principle of electromagnetism. When we coil this wire on any iron, then we have a positive terminal and the other we have 12 volts, and the switch is kept in this. And so when we switch on, then this magnet attracts this iron, and due to the force of heating, it returns back into.
How many turns you have done?
Sir?
How many turns this coil? Many turns? Not counting? 100 turns or 150 turns? Okay. Yes, good morning. What you are doing? Eh? Chromatography. What is the meaning of chromatography? You know? Color rating?
Water replaces the color. Negative we are going to display. One is filter paper that is adhesive, in this color is the bomb, then it can burn. So when we switch on, the electricity is fast and it attracts this iron. The water spray then this filter paper and it separates the color. Then we can put any color in this.
And you?
Here we are showing the course of the crystallization of water crystallization. So we the copper sulfate.
Copper sulfate solution? Crystal, huh?
Copper sulfate is heated. After some time, the water vapor is seen in the inner wall of the test tube. This shows that the copper sulfate has water vapor.
Which grade you are studying? 7? Okay, thank you. Yes, what is it?
We are going to show how to cut glass with scissors. Apparatus requires cloth, glass, scissors and water. First of all, cloth is taken and water should be filled in it. Now glass is taken and it should be put inside the water for half an hour. After half an hour, we are able to cut glass like this. This happens because the molecules of glass became looser by putting inside water. Because inside the water there is less amount of air pressure, so it makes the molecules loose. And if we will take it out from water, we can't cut it. This happens because outside there is large amount of air pressure, so it makes the molecules stronger. This is how inside we can cut. And outside we can now we are ready to for this experiment we need this common gas, one balloon and zinc and hydrochloric acid. First of all we have to take this apparatus and we have the zinc and now we are going to put it and into the wire. We can come mix of water, water then fluorochromo and it seems white because your hydrogen involved.
Reaction takes place immediately, huh?
Because the water vapor collected here, it might go down and the thinking might crash. Like this.
If you put this nozzle up in here, what will happen?
More hydrogen space.
More hydrogen will come? No. The nozzle of this is in
Like this, this face up.
not touching the surface of the sulfuric
It might
acid.
crash. So it should be
What will happen, you know?
Huh?
Some more, huh? Okay.
Not very much, but
Did you test it your time?
if you are hitting for short time, it's not that. But now since you are hitting,
Did you test it your time?
there is no exhibit in every exhibit when you came here.
Which grade you are studying? Class 9. One, two,
So what you are trying to show?
And sodium hydroxide heated water. After some time when it gets dissolved, you have to this disc overheated disc of overheated water.
Why it not happen now? Because it gets soft.
Then gradually it gets dissolved, sodium hydroxide will get dissolved due to the vapour rising from the water.
Because the molecules of glass
Did you prepare this swap? You are in your lab? Okay, thank you.
That's right.
This one is light activity. It lights on dark and lights on the light.
Absorb the vibration. Not because the molecule is light and light.
Like, is it light?
Gas is absorbed because in the air,
This is done by this.
cannot be absorbed by
This
air.
LDR. It's light sensitizer. When you put this on the light amount of 1 kilo, it is resistance at 56 kilo. And when the light goes from here, then it couldn't activate this drive. So that we can
What we are trying to show is
This we have used petrol gas. This one is petrol and oxide solvent. At first it has got cold clear inside, and when this with this petrol gas flame, the cool layer inside it will become hot, and as hotter is lighter, then cooler it will go up. In this experiment, we got some defect in this balloon, so we are just escaping from some
If you go outside this experiment, it will go up.
one leg out.
What is the name of this apparatus?
Because this one called chicken and what it is and to this cork and this tube and this pipe and form. The cigarette is not fitted here, so I have put this pipe. Now, now to bomb this cigarette. Now this cigarette is burnt and the smoke is passed from this pipe, this bomb to the pipe, this tube and to this cotton, and after result we can get this type of
Is there any stain?
by the nicotine.
Nicotine, huh?
Nicotine to, so by this experiment you can know that we are not mosquito.
So you have to demonstrate this experiment to the smoker, huh?
Here we are doing the experiment to show the products of burning candle. Here we are, the apparatus are set like this. First this conical flax is fixed in this funnel is fitted with this tube, and this is chloride paper, and we are the apparatus are set like this, and and when the one end of that funnel is that's born with candle, and Andrew we will pump the suction at pump. Then when we pump that suction pump, the air suck in, then the carbon dioxide of this candle will make this lime water into milky. Slowly it's make milky. Here we are making
Milky, going to milky?
the gas is produced by this candle, and this is changed into milky, and we can usually know that this can change into, we can usually know that gas is carbon dioxide, because only that carbon dioxide can change this lime water into milky. So we are
Do you have this experiment in your textbook?
yes,
Huh? Which grade?
so 7.
7th grade.
With the help of carbon dioxide. And so to make the carbon dioxide, first you have to put some vinegar in vinegar and this baking soda. Then the vinegar is slowly poured in it. Then here the gas forms. So that this is a carbon dioxide. So when we slowly pour it into this candle, it is going to be extinguished.
Need more vinegar, huh?
Yes, sir, because the carbon dioxide doesn't stay in one place, so that the vinegar is it can't help in that it can't stay, so that we can have to research.
Yeah, here we are saying every day contains carbon dioxide. This is the lime water. Now, actually, when we blow in this pipe, it will change into the ice.
Next floor, huh? Yes, it became this.
Because the carbon dioxide combined with lime water.
You know the chemical formula of lime water? You don't know, huh? Which grade you are studying?
5.
5. Oh.
Here we are showing individual letters. First we have to take lime and we fill in the pen. When we write and put in the candle, we can, but we can't see first. But when we put that,
we want to show that
Okay, thank you. See?
First, apparatus are fixed like this, and coil is in glass tube, and it is heated by the help of spirit lamp. When it is heated, the water vapor rises up. We can taste that this is what we can taste. There is water vapor
What paper? Color will change, huh? Into pink? Which color?
Pink color.
Pink color.
त्यसै यो पेनले यसले पोर्दैमा आउँछ, त्यसो भएर मेरो नङले पोर्दाखेरि पनि आउनुपर्छ। यो किन कालो आउँछ थाहा छ? यो स्मोकले होइन, यो यहाँ भएको लेमनमा भएको कालोले पेपरमा रियाक्सन गर्छ, हिट गएपछि अनि कालो हुन्छ। त्यसैले पेन निले पोर्दैमा त्यहाँ राखेर
Boiling water inside as a portion or
एउटा सिन्काले
big
लेखेको
mass of water, and the water vapor evaporates and strikes there, and when get the ice, then the water vapor condensed and they turn into droplets of water.
This is just like cloud in the atmosphere.
is the project about how to make cities safer before disaster strikes, and we should plant the trees aside the city to make the environment clean. Industry to far from the city and even from the city industries are far from the housing areas to make it safer for the people to breathe in the fresh environment. And
This is model city.
yes, sir.
Where is school? We have any school? School, hospital? No hospital? Oh yes.
And the city should be in the middle of the city to give free information to the people about when there is some disaster going to strike the city, and then the people can be saved from the disaster, and market area to the house area to make the people easy to go to the market and buy their necessities. And official buildings should not be far away from the housing areas to make the people easy and near and benefit for them to go to the office, and like this we should plan the city.
No road for motor car?
So the evacuated places are roads.
One part of Nepal, like in Uttara region, they are much weak because erosion can take place quickly. Just like time, pressure, heat. So they are sedimentary rock, and fossils are found in these rocks. These are low metamorphic rock. They are found in mid-southern part of Nepal, like Mahabharat Lake. They are a little bit stronger than sedimentary rocks. They have economical uses. These are highly metamorphosed rock. They are found in high places like Mount Everest, high places like Shivapuri. They are strong enough. These are pebbles. The small chip of marble are called pebbles, and these small bigs are called cobbles, and big one is called boulder.
Where did you collect it?
These we all called from cave of Choba. We all went there, just collected from the Choba.
Just like a filter?
Yeah. We tried our best to collect these rocks from Choba cave. These are chemical rocks which react with acid, so this is called chemical rocks. They react with chemicals. They react with acid, and so they are called chemical rocks. These are fossils which are found in Nepal. Like this is from Mochegaon of Kathmandu. This is from Mount Everest. This is also called
one of the
Shilaghat.
earliest fossils from Nepal. And this is from Godavari. These are plants.
Which acid is this? Sulfuric acid?
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric. This is one of the earliest fossils in the. They help us to raise our economic standard because they are used to make cement.
Did you find any mineral in those?
Yes, minerals. We don't have any equipment to find the minerals, but we can get some minerals. This is called stalagmite. They are hanged in that cave, and when they drop, they are called stalactite. This is stalactite, this is stalagmite.
If you like to know, you see, better ideas, you have to contact in the mine department.
Yes.
In the Rajin part. If you have query, huh? They are, Bridge of the Python. You don't know? Formaldehyde?
There is one slide of.
This is ready-made slide, huh?
Yes, sir. Permanent slides.
Yes. This is blood cell?
No, sir.
This cell?
Rat cells.
Rat cells?
Yes. And here you can see rat flesh.
Flesh or blood?
Flesh.
Oh, say the flesh. When you say rat cell, it cannot be complete rat, right?
So here
Could be
you
bone,
can
could be
see
skin,
yellow phase
could
of
be...
mitosis.
Mitosis balanced.
We need 3 stick and one thin stick and one hollow pipe. We need to tie these 3 sticks, and we need one rubber organs to tie this pipe pipe, and we need one hollow stick to tight and put rubber and tight and
This is gone?
and we
How you start?
have to put
Huh?
here and we should put here and
Okay.
like this. Goes up
What do you
this
call
force.
this? Is this bullet? Huh? Bullet.
It's this thin sticks force will push this stick and it will go
Go out, huh?
go out.
Thank you. Which grade you are studying? You have a lot of water, huh? Is this water?
We put this is the this paper didn't wait in water. We put this paper in glass and
Inside the glass and you yes.
and we do like this.
Why?
And then
Why the paper?
by
It's not wet,
the air force block the water and this paper didn't. We are going to so the one will rise up.
What is the name of this equipment?
The condenser. We are saying the one will rise up. This is the aquarium and candle is lighted and this is in the aquarium and this is incense stick and we put due to candle and this is and cool air comes out goes down and it carry the smoke of this incense stick, so smoke goes down.
Thank you. Is this experiment in your textbook? No? How you learn? From the teacher?
This is also part.
Yes.
This first the water these are the roots and the roots absorb water and it carried it is carried by the stem to the different parts of the plant. And the food it is in the leaves the food is made and it is also carried to different parts of the plant. And the food is carried by the stem. The roots also.
Water is going up, huh? Absorption from root? Okay, thank you. के गर्दैछ तिम्रो?
This is a simple
This is a
machine.
simple machine,
The
yes.
tools needed are the bamboo blade and the hollow pipe and then we have to wind the rope and small stick. The winded rope has a stored energy stored energy. So when we pull it at that time, we are applying the force to pull it. Then the energy works as the rope uncoils. Again the rope coils and the energy is stored. We can use this process to extract fat out of milk. For kneading dough and for mixing things.
Okay, thank you, huh?
This is water cycle. First, the sun rises up and it heats the water and it's made of water vapor.
Water vapor is grown upper and upper, and this black sky is grown upper and it change into black clouds, and this black clouds is grown upper and upper.
Then,
Then pull. Then pull out.
yes, then comes down. Huh? Thank you.
Kerosene and measuring cylinder. We have to put this oil, kerosene and water in this beaker by measuring on this measuring cylinder. We have already measured and put here. We have measured up to 2 centimeters and put here in this beaker. When we put these 3 liquids in the beaker, slowly water goes down and the cooking oil in the middle and kerosene at the top. You can see here.
Top one is kerosene.
Why the kerosene is top and
This is because water atom has more amount than cooking oil and kerosene.
which grade you are studying?
4.
4. Do you heard the word density? Not yet, huh? Child class को छैन.
We can sketch it also, and we can make it with these threads also. It is helpful us because we can it develop our creativeness and we can make this type of designs with in clothes and handkerchiefs also and pillow cover also. These are called parabola because we haven't made it. It's a curved line. It's all we have made it straight lines and then we made it straight lines.
You know the name of experiment? You collected or your teacher collected?
We collected.
You? Where? In the environment? This is also collection, huh? Why you collect these plants?
For these tools that there are several types of plants. This is for ornamental plant. This is for the phylum plant, and these are these are the herbal plants from that we can use as medicine also. And these are the storage stems. As usually we said that these are roots, but actually it's not root, that it's stem, and these are the collected photos of mushroom, and these are varieties of plants, and there's also varieties of mushroom.
Did you went to some horticulture to collect these things?
Yes.
Where?
We have to.
Kitipur?
We have no. Godavari.
Kumulta?
Godavari.
This potato, huh?
Yes, sir. This potato, in osmosis is the process in which liquid passes from less concentrated solution to high concentrated solution through semi-permeable membrane. Here we have used the egg membrane and the potato as semi-permeable membrane. And semi-permeable membrane is that membrane which has small pores in it through which liquid can enter. And in this potato we have used sugar solution as high concentrated solution, and this colored water as less concentrated solution. The water is colored to differentiate from the sugar solution. After we put it in half an hour or about that, we will find that this level of sugar solution will increase, showing that the liquid from the trough passes through the semi-permeable membrane and increases the level of this sugar solution. And in this egg we have removed the outer shell with dissolving in it, with putting it in hydrochloric acid, and hydrochloric acid reacts with that calcium present in egg cell, and the egg cell is dissolved, and we can get in the thin membrane. And this is raw egg, and it has liquid, it has high concentration in it, and we have put it in water which is less concentrated solution, and after 24 hours or like that, the egg increases its size, and showing that the water has entered in it.
This is the process of bleaching of flour. First of all, the flour is put in this cup, and the paper is filled, and sulfur is put in it. And it is wrapped like this. and it is burnt. After burning, it is put in this conical flask, and the cork with this flour is put in this conical flask. You can see the flour is bleaching here.
This color, huh?
This is a process of transpiration. Firstly, the transpiration is the process of evaporating water in the gas form throughout the stomata, and firstly there is this plant which is this we can use and
Is it just like a greenhouse?
Yes.
You know greenhouse? Huh?
It is covered with a plastic bag and it is wrapped here so that the air can't pass in. After it is kept for a few hours. After a few hours, we can see the vapors coming out like this from here.
And we can observe the water bubbles, huh?
Yeah, from the stomata.
Thank you. Yes, good morning. This is broad?
Yes, sir. This is the dissection of bone, general anatomy. This is heart, liver, stomach, rectum, inner side, esophagus.
You have done this in your class?
Paper.
Or only in this exhibition? Huh?
Read nutrition.
This is?
Here we have shown the digestive system of an earthworm. Yeah, and here is the mouth part, and the earthworm eats from this part, and then the buccal cavity, then pharynx, then the food passes to the esophagus and goes to the gizzard where the food particle is grinded, and then it goes to stomach where the food is digested, and then when the food is digested, then it passes through the intestine, and the digested food and the undigested food goes to the rectum and is thrown out through the anus. And now this is the cockroach. Here, this is the esophagus, yeah, and from this the food passes through it. Then here is the crop where the food is collected, and then crop. Then here there is a gizzard where the food is grinded by the sand particles. This is the hepaticaca, and this is the midgut, hindgut. This is the rectum where undigested food is collected and is thrown out with the anus.
Between the gills, the blood vessels present in gills absorb oxygen in water and throw out carbon dioxide, which again dissolve in water and goes out.
It is first law. Can you find out which one is boiled egg and raw egg between these?
Can you?
Find out which one is boiled egg and raw egg.
You spin and then find out, right?
I can find it out. First we have to spin it. And we have to spin both of them. This is raw boiled egg because it has lower inertia, and this is this has a greater inertia, so this moves longer and it moves. First law of motion. According to Newton's first law of motion, every body continued in its state and rest or at motion until an external force is acted on it. Would you please put this coin inside the beaker without touching this coin? When I hit the card, when I hit the protector, it goes away from its place because force is applied from only this protector, so it go away from the place. But this coin remain in same place because its inertia slightly kept it in same place, so it doesn't move, so it fall in the beaker.
Now you prove first law of Newton, huh?
Newton's third law of motion. According to his third law of motion,
to every action there is always equal and opposite reaction. Here we have string, straw and balloon. When the string is put through the straw and the balloon is stick with the straw and fill up with air. When we inflate the balloon like this, it goes forward because the force of air which rushes out backward pushes the balloon forward. For example, we can take swimming and swim. When we swim, we push the water backward and we go forward. And another example is rocket. When the fire pushes the rocket downward side, the rocket moves upward side. This is Newton's law.
For law of motion explains that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Bottle is filled with hot water and we have to pump it with the air pumps and it creates gases inside the bottle and which forces water to come out and in that time the equal force is created in the opposite direction.
Wrapped with this copper wire, and when they are in contact with this battery cell, then they would function as an electromagnet. But here we have used this like a switch, and when we press this and when we connect this with this copper wire, then it will work as an electromagnet, and this will attract on this and it produces sound like talk, and they have developed a language like this. For A, they use short one talk and long dash. It will slowly go down.
Is it moving?
It is vibrating.
Okay, thank you.
And thin compact metal is used to deposit in a cathode by the process of electrolysis. A cathode is this nail, and this electricity is this copper sulfate. This nail is taken and it is wrapped with the wire and it is connected with the battery. When it is dipped in the copper sulfate solution, the electricity is passed to this copper sulfate, and this copper iron gets deposited and devoted into this nail. Like this. And this copper is coated to this nail. This is because this electricity breaks the copper sulfate into copper ion and sulfate ion, so that copper ion is attracted to this nail and it is coated, but sulfate is remaining.
What is it?
Class 7.
For this experiment, Chandra is taken and the balloon is fitted on it to trap this straw. The small amount of clay is put here, and the straw is also tested here. After some time, the air inside the bottle is more than outside the bottle, and the atmospheric pressure presses the balloon up and it moves.
Yeah, I know this positive and negative, but they have disconnected like this. It doesn't matter if you connect this or anything. Since the wire is connected straight, finished. Nothing will work.
You prepare yourself?
These two have to be separated. In one, you connect any other thing that has to be electroplated. In other end, you connect to a copper.
What is this then?
This dip, separate. Not the way.
And then?
You accept it.
This is kind of telescope. There is Newton refractor and Gould refractor. This Newton refractor, at first the light rays passes from it, and it is 90-degree one mirror, and here is 45-degree mirror. When the light passes from it, and the light rays strike here, and come here, and when the 45 degree gets the light rays, then it strike and come to our eyes, and we can see. And this good refractor, here is 3 mirror in 90 degree, here is 90 degree, and here is 45 degree. When the light pass through from it, here is it strike here and come back in the again 90 degree, and then again in 45 degree, here is the 45 degree, again hit that and come to our eyes. That we can see the object.
And it's caterpillar and its body and its pulley with which you can raise this magnet, and its hand which can be, when you press this, it will straight open and trap this. You can see this. Then you can trap it, we can raise it up. And if we move this pulley, and it will trap this and it will come. And it can move also.
Move also, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
That did this copyright trade and this government will come here. When one of the taken blue oxygen, this is because broken bubble will push this trade in parts, and this unbroken bubbles will decrease its shape as it can. Here the left moves.
Please explain what is your equipment?
This is air pressure. First we can down butterfly taken, and then it is filled with small amount of water. Then water is put in triple stand. Then the stand is lighted. After boiling the water, then the humidity is removed. Then then the egg is put and
What will happen if we put down bottom first into cold water? Huh?
When the boys this box, it again taken. Can talk.
Go down this magnet turns this iron into magnet, and when we go down this iron attracts any magnetic objects, because it also will be the magnet, so it attracts any magnetic object. Like crane also
We have to use this string very strong, huh? Tight and strong.
Yes, sir. Like crane also
attract the balls
Which
and
grade you are? Six. Both.
It is so because when the magnet is touched, the magnet is here, it is connected with the electricity part can be wire and it attracts this fire.
Thank you. You success your experiment. Yes?
Every action has equal and opposite reaction. Here, cylinder, aluminum cylinder, here, भित्र पानी भरेछ नि यो जब हामीले यसलाई हेरिदिन्छौँ पानी हिट भएर स्टिममा चेन्ज हुन्छ अनि यो पालबाट यो स्टिम निस्किन्छ अनि यो स्टिमको हेल्पले गर्दा यो बोट अगाडि बढ्छ
न्युटन्स थर्ड लॉ हुन्छ जाडो गरेर कति क्लास पढ्छ तिमी
forecaster
weather forecast you explain how you forecast your weather
This is the cobalt clothing paper. It's changed. When the weather is dry, it's changed into blue purple. When the weather is wet, it's changed into pink color. And it is going to change into purple blue.
by observing the color you forecast your weather
Lens and this 10 mirror box and the other 10 mirror is adjusted to the light and the light passes, the reflected light passes through this hole and we can see from it and the water drops into the light, the water drops magnify the object and we can see it.
simple microscope
We are showing how does cassette player work and how does cassette player stereo sound affect this cassette player. And this is one simple cassette player, and the two-way sound is passed from the speaker. And this is motor, this is stereo head, this is tape, and this is adapter. As we know, this is the amplifying plate. It contains a stereo head which passes to lines of the speakers, and difference between mono and speaker is this head had was only 2 pins of the mono and but there are 3 pins in the stereo head, and IC is also different in mono and stereo, and we will show you how the stereo cassette player work. Like stereo.
It is used in parties and festivals like TRs, and here we have used IC555 as main machine. I have used this materials and in this circuit, and IC has 8 legs. Here we have given in number, and 1 is negative, 2 and 6 are joined, and here they are connected with variable register 100 and K, and register 1K5, and 4 and 8 we have joined here with register, and 3 is connected with capacitor, and it is output. Here we have line of plates, first line of plates, and here we have another, it is connected with transistor and another line of plates. When the
output of IC is high and one line of LED lights, and when it is low, another line of light LEDs and it will light. If we have to change the speed of the line, then we can rotate this variable register.
What is the use of this transistor?
Here we can light the legs. It is connected here also. No?
We can make it faster.
Do you know what is the name of legs? It is emitter, collector, or base.
It is called as battery. This is about the series combination of
CD combination.
Yeah, series combination. So that the terminal is passing from negative to positive, positive to negative. And in the same, this is with the parallel combination. So that your terminal is passing from negative to negative, negative to negative, and positive to positive, positive to positive. So that here we are know that now we have got two common terminals. So this is switch. When it does it goes. And when we touch it also, it blows. If you put these bulbs into this and this, then it doesn't blow because it has got connection. That is positive and negative. But we don't have here two terminal. Here we have got only one. This is in odd manner and this is in even manner, and it is growing a little better than this series combination. And this is due to the passing of current in odd manner, and that is positive to negative and negative to positive. And this is due to flowing of electron in even manner. This is it has two terminals, and they are negative to negative, positive to positive, so that it is flowing
and we have put their battery, and this wire is connected to this first push button, and then this second wire is connected to this second push button. And the use of this push button is to come. We can put as many push buttons as per our requirements. And in our houses where there are many doors, we can put this many push buttons, and we can control door from any place. Let's try this. Bear with me. One sound and it will give different sounds. It can give 16 different sounds. Right? Since we have this
turbine for several times, and put in water, it moves forward. It moves forward because the water is released in it, and because of water force, it moves forward.
Cannot move, so we have to put it so it moves. Then it is moved because of surface tension. It pulls around anything while floating underwater. The force, the slope reduces the surface tension. Surface tension at the rate of 4 meters. Then it moves. So the force floating at the front will drag the boat along.
In our picture is we can see up. Here we have used our bulb and slide, and that bulb lens that is known as planar convex, and that double bulb lens which is known as biconvex, and by that we'll get the image on that screen. And that two lenses should be of 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. Otherwise it will not clear. And light plays a main role. If the light is not powerful, then it will also not come clearly. Light.
This is candle, and light rays from this candle passes through this hole, and in the screen, on the screen we can obtain the image of this candle. It is inverted. This kind of image formed in the screen is called real image because it can be obtained in the screen. The image is formed inverted because there is actually intersection of the light rays in the hole. You can see the image.
This candle, it is impossible. Do you think that the candle can burn inside the water? No, but here it is possible. Because of that, this candle's image forms here. This glass also behaves as the plane mirror over here. And this light rays meet this, strikes the mirror. Then it is shifted and it gets refracted due to the total internal reflection. This is possible that the image, this candle, we can see that it is burning inside the water. And beam of light is here. Now when it is a transparent media, it is called prism. Now when this prism is put here, you can see the rainbow color. Can you see?
Yeah.
This rainbow color forms here also. When
welcome sir. Then short description. There is
This lens is unlimited from the screen. Now we have
What is the name of that lens? You know?
Bioconvex lens.
Bioconvex.
This is shown for Uncle by
यो ग्लासवेयर त थुप्रो हो क्या जिउया चाहिँ यसो अहिले चाहिँ एक्लो हो क्या
उनीहरूले चाहिँ क्लासमा मात्रै मतलब ल्याबोरेटरीमा अहिलेसम्म
यहाँ पनि कहिले काहीँ ल्याएर गर्छ सर ठाउँ सानो छ अनि क्लासमा पनि गर्छ
एकेपुरी फर्म नजिक है पहिला घरै
रामपुर जानु होला
उनीहरूले चाहिँ आफ्नो च्यान्जो गर्न सक्छ इन्डस्ट्रियल एरिया अलिक टाढा भयो भने चाहिँ पोल्युसनमा कन्ट्रोल गर्नु किनभने अब गाडीले बगाउन सक्छ इन्डस्ट्रीले गर्दा पोल्युसन पनि अब सेयर बिल्डिङ टाढा भयो भने कर्मचारीहरूलाई अलिक बाह्र त्यसरी हाउसिङ एरिया
क्रोमोसोम्सहरु 2 टुक्रा भएर हैन छोरीमा जान लाग्छ नि देखेको छैन
The water never goes to sky. Then what happens?
यो सेती बजार पाइन्छ यो चाहिँ एकदम हाइली प्राइसमा हो त्यसरी अफर पत्ता हुन त पाउँछ बस तर एकदम हार्डली मात्रै पाउँछ यो होटलहरू अहिले चाहिँ त्यो अफ सिजन त हुन्छ तर हार्ड त्यो गाह्रो